Power tools use many bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or a squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor brushes. Next, I'll remove the gearbox and armature assembly from the rest of the motor. And I'll separate the armature from the gearbox. Now I'll use a gear puller to remove the bearing. And now I can install the new bearing. I'll place it onto the armature shaft and use a socket that has a diameter about the same size as the inner race. I'll use the socket to tap the bearing into place. Now I can reinstall the armature back into the gearbox. Next, I'll reinstall the armature and gearbox back to the rest of the tool. And I'll finish by reinstalling the brushes. And that's all it takes to replace the ball bearing in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.